Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a leprechaun surprise fold. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our leprechaun surprise fold, we need to fold our paper. So I'm going to take my paper, turn it like this, and I'm going to fold it in half. So you want to line it up like a birthday card, and then just fold down to make a nice little fold. This way you can open it up like a card. Next, I'm going to take my paper, turn it like this, and I just want to hold this flap, and I want to fold this down to this fold right here. So I'm going to take this and just line it up right here at the bottom, and I'm just going to fold it across like this. Now, when I open it up, I can have a nice little surprise fold just like this, or I can keep it like this and open it down. Your choice. Now, to start off with this, we're going to be making a little pot of gold down here. So I'm going to start, and I just want to make a nice little top on the pot of gold. So I'm going to draw it right on this fold right here. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm just going to draw right across here. And I just want to make a nice straight line on here. Next, I'm going to start by drawing a little line that's just going to curve down. And you want to do the same thing on both sides, just curve it down. Next, I want to connect these lines. So I'm just going to connect both of these lines just like this. This is going to be the top of our pot of gold. Starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve down here, and then another little line that's just going to curve down here. Now, right above here, I want to draw just a little bit of gold, not too much, just a little bit. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a couple little curved oval shapes like this. I'm just going to make a couple here. I'm going to make them in some different locations, just so it looks like we've got quite a few in there. And we'll just put a few more right around here. And maybe one more here. Now I want to add some curved lines onto these, and I'm going to make some of these curved lines going different directions, just so it looks like we have some different little pieces of gold in here. And we're just going to add some little curved lines on here. Now on the side of our little pot of gold, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and it's going to come down. And I'll do another one over here. It's going to go out, and it's going to come down like this for the handles. And I'm going to make a little curved line here, and a little curved line right here. Next, I want to open up my pot of gold and add all the details inside of here. So the first thing I want to do is right along here, I'm going to add some more little pieces of gold on here just to kind of fill up the bottom. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to add just some of these little oval shapes again, just like I did before. You can add them however you want to on here. But I'm just going to add a few here, and then I'll come back in here and add some of these little lines for some extra details on here. Then I'll add just a couple more behind here, put a little curved line here, and maybe one over here too. Now, up here I want to draw the rest of these little pieces of gold. So I'm going to just curve some of these around, and I'm going to add little ends on these just to finish off my little pieces of gold. So we're just going to draw some little lines down here just to connect all these little pieces of gold. I'll also add a couple more down here. I'll make a little curved line like this, and then a little end on it like that. And you can just come in here and add a few more in there however you want to. I'll add another one over here. Now inside of here I want to make my little leprechaun. So to do this, I'm going to start right here. I'll just use this little fold as a guide. And I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come up like this for the head. Now right over here, I'm going to make a little line that just goes across. And then right here, I'm going to add a little curved, bumpy line that goes all the way around here for the beard. Next down here, we want to make the hat. So I'm going to begin right here. I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go out. It's going to curve around and then come back down here like a skinny oval. Starting here, on each end, we're going to make a little line that goes up. And I'm going to make a little line that just curves across. Now up here, we want to make a little line that goes up, and another one that goes up, and a little line that comes across here for the top. Then I want to make a little line that's just going to curve right across here for some details on the hat. Next, we're going to make two little lines that go down. And I'm going to make a little skinny rectangle shape in here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down, and then another one down here for the body of our leprechaun. And then I want to make the arms. So starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes out. It's going to come down and then back in. And another one over here. I'm going to go out, down, and then back in. Starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that just curves up and down. And I'm going to make a little line that just curves around here for the hand. Do the same thing here, a little line that goes up and down. And one that's just going to curve around here for the hand. We'll just keep the hand simple. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line down and then another little line down. And then I'm going to draw a little line down here with a little dot for a button. Now I want to make the face of our leprechaun. Starting here, I'm going to add a decent sized circle for one eye. And we'll make another one over here. Next, I'm going to color in a little black dot inside each one for the pupils. Right in between the eyes, I'm going to make a little line that just curves around, kind of like a backwards C for the nose. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes across. Then we're going to make a big, tall, smiley face for the mouth, so he looks really happy. And I'm going to add a little line that curves across for the tongue, and I'm just going to color this part in really quickly. Then right up here, I'm going to make a little triangle shape for an eyebrow, and another one that just goes down, up, and then down for another eyebrow. Now right up here I want to add a little shamrock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little dot. I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to go over and down. Another one that goes up, over and down. One more here, it's just going to go down, and then one more that goes out, down, and up. Then I'll put a little line in between each one. Now last thing I want to do is just add some little coins kind of around here so it looks like they're all kind of going everywhere. You want to be careful. You want to make sure they're above this fold and then below all these. So to do this, all you have to do is make some little ovals and then add a little curved line across them. And you can put these all over. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill up this area with a bunch of these little gold coins. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Leprechaun Surprise Fold. So when you have it all folded up, you have your nice little pot of gold, and then when you open it up, you have your leprechaun popping out of there. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.